Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
The total number of Indians who have left Ukraine since our advisories were issued, we estimate is now near 18,000. The pace of Operation Ganga continues to accelerate. During the last 24 hours, 15 flights landed in India. As you see, I think it was 3, 6 and then 9. So 15 flights in one day, bringing back more than 3,000 Indians. So with this, it takes the total number of flights under Operation Ganga to 30, if I remember correctly. And I think that brings, so we have brought back around 6,400 Indian citizens. During the next 24 hours, which is the time frame usually we're projecting, 18 flights have been scheduled. We will further step up efforts to bring all these Indians who have now in safety back to India at the earliest. We are scheduling more flights. In fact, we have planned more, and I'll continue to update you on which ones. We hope that over the next 2-3 days, a large number of these people will be back home.
हांगा रावता हांव 1.5 वर्सां आदी युक्रेन आशिल्लो आनी थंयसर आतां म्हणजे 10-15 दीस पयलीं वॉर सिच्युएशन स्टार्ट जालें. सो पॅनीक आशिल्लें सगळें आनी आमी 2 दिसां पयलीं डिसिजन घेतलो युक्रेन सोडपाचो आनी आमी युक्रेन सोडली ताची कृपा. आनी इंडियन एम्बेसी बेसिकली म्हणजे आमी आमच्या रिस्कार बुडापेस्ट आमच्या रिस्कार पावले. थंयच्यान इंडियन एम्बेसीन म्हणजे खावपा बिवपा दिले आनी फ्री फ्लायट करून हांगा हाडली. फूल फॉर्मान आशिल्लो, खंय रावपा पडूंक ना. इंडियन पासपोर्ट इतलो म्हणजे विदावट चेकींग सगळे कडल्यान धाडले. सो वेरी बेस्ट जर्नी. पूण सगळे टेन्शनान आशिल्ले की सायडीक बॉम्ब पडटात म्हणजे 200 मीटर सायडीक.
We had to travel more than 1,000 kilometers, you can say 1,600 kilometers almost, from Kropivnitsky to the Hungarian border. It was risky because we had to cross through many checkposts. Every place they were just checking, there were troops, like Ukrainian troops guarding the checkpost, and they were all armed, so they were checking our documents. Okay, we were like international students, so they were letting us pass because no Ukrainian citizen is allowed to go out, especially people aged from 18 to 60. They are not allowed to cross the border.